Hello, আমি আজি arithmetic progression study কৰিম. This is our chapter 9 of class 11 NCERT maths book. So first coming to definition. So if we have a sequence of numbers, say a1, a2, a3 goes to an, then this sequence is called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression if an plus 1 equal to an plus d. That means আমি common language ক'ব পাৰো a2 equal to a1 plus d. Similarly a3 equal to a2 plus d. ঠিক আছে, that means our preceding term is same as the previous term plus common difference d. D is your common difference. ঠিক আছে, your a1 is called the first term and the constant term d, this d is called your common difference. Common difference means a2 minus a1 is d, a3 minus a2 is also d, so a4 minus a3 is also d, so in their difference is same, so d is called your common difference. Now let us consider the general AP in standard form. With first term A, we are considering an arithmetic progression and our arithmetic sequence with first term as well A and common difference D. Then we can write first term, we have A1, in place of A1 we are writing A. A2 will be what? A1 plus D. A2 is A1 plus D. A2 1 plus 1 2 equal to A1 plus D. A1 what we have? A plus D. Next we have A3 2 plus 1 1, that means 3. A2 plus D. A3 is always A2 plus D. A2 what we have got? A2 is A plus D plus D A plus 2D. Similarly A4 we will have A3 plus D. A3 will be A3 is A plus 2D plus D A plus 3D. It will be A plus 3D. You will go on. This is our fourth term. This is called your standard form of an AP. Standard form of an AP, and where general term, if nth is a general term of the AP is given by an equal to a plus n minus 1d. How it is? So a is our first term. So we are writing a plus 0 into d. Second term a plus 1 into d. This is our second term. A plus 1 into d. Third term a plus 2 into d. Third term 3, and here we are having 2 into d. Fourth term 4, and we are having a plus 3 into d. So what will be your nth term? It will be n minus 1. A will be remain as it is a, and third term is 2 hoise, fourth term 3 hoise, so nth term ki hobo? N minus 1 d. So nth term will be a plus n minus 1 d. This is our general term or an term. So এতিয়া আমি কিছুমান properties পঢ়িম তোমাৰ AP. So these important properties: if any constant is added or subtracted or multiplied or divided by a non-zero number, then the resulting sequence is also an AP. If we have a AP, say we have a constant and we have an AP, আমি standard form of AP লৈছো, where a is our first term and d is our common difference. Our first term hoige a, second term a plus d, third term a plus 2d, b and AP. ঠিক আছে, and k is any constant. এতিয়া আমি কি কৰিছো? প্ৰত্যেকটো টাৰ্মত each and every term we are adding a plus k is what? Constant. Second term a plus d plus k, a plus 2d plus k. Then this sequence is also an AP. Why? Because AP hobole tomar ki hobo lage? Difference must be same. Second term minus first term must have the same difference, and the third term minus second term must have the same difference. Koi sab para a plus d plus k, difference will be a plus d plus k minus a plus k. Tomar ko ki ahibo? Common a আৰু k cancel যাব minus d. Similarly a plus 2d plus k, a plus 2d plus k minus a plus d plus k, because a3 minus a2, this is your third term, this is your second term, so again we have to will get d. So our common difference is common, so this is also an AP. That is, if we add a constant term to every term of an AP, if we add a constant term k to every term of an AP, then the resulting sequence is also an AP. Similarly, if we subtract a plus a minus k, a plus d, second term is what? A plus d minus k, third term a plus twice d minus k, then the resulting sequence is also an AP. So now this is also an AP. Now if we multiply every term with a constant term, a into k, a plus d into k, third a plus 2d into k, then this is also an AP. You can check it out. Heads up তোমাকে কৰিবা ak plus dk minus ak cancel হৈ যাব, আৰু common difference কি থাকিব তোমাৰ dk. Similar ইয়াত তোমাৰ ak subtract হ'ব, থাকিব কি kd 2dk minus dk. So this is also an AP. Clear? Next one, if we divide each term by a constant k, একে হ'ব লাগিব। তুমি ইয়াত k দি divide কৰিছা, ইয়াত তুমি k1 দি divide কৰিব নোৱাৰা। It means if you are dividing a by 2, you cannot divide the second term by 3. So you have to divide by the same term, a by k, a plus dk, a plus 2dk, where k must be non-zero, নহ'লে তোমাৰ undefined হৈ যাব, is also an AP. So check কৰি চাব পাৰা, a plus d divided by k minus ak final কৰা, আৰু a plus 2d divided by k minus a plus d divided by k. Check কৰি চোৱা, you will get the same common difference. Same common difference means the sequence is an AP. So now here we have, let a be the first term, we are considering a is the first term, d be the common difference, l be the last term, n total number of terms. ঠিক আছে, আমি a first term ললো, d common difference ললো, l আমি last term বুলি লৈছো, আৰু n total number of terms, and sn is the sum up to first n terms of it. Sn is the sum up to first n terms of an AP. Then tomorrow standard form কি আসলে a plus d, third term tomorrow a plus twice d, goes on, and your nth term tomorrow কি আসলে a plus n minus 1d. This is your nth term means tomorrow an or nth term or an means your n term. If your AP is finite, if your arithmetic progression is finite, then this nth term is your last term, isn't it? If your AP is a finite, that means a distinct number of terms, finite number of terms, then this is what? Then this is your last term. So your nth term will be then your last term. So what will have L equal to L, which is your nth term, it now behave as the last term, equal to a plus n minus 1d. Kyo? Because tomorrow যদি AP to finite হৈ যায়, AP tomorrow finite হয়, then tomorrow nth term will be your last term. Clear? So now coming to Sn, sum of up to first n terms of the AP is given by the formula n by 2 into whole into 2a plus n minus 1d. n কি হয় তোমাৰ number of terms, finite AP হয়, so we can count the number of terms. What we are considering the number of terms, last term as what? nth term, that means n number of terms, one term, second term, third term, কিমান লকে আছে তোমাৰ nth number of terms, total number of terms আছে তোমাৰ n, so n by 2. ঠিক আছে, এটা 2a separate কৰি দিম, a plus a plus n minus 1 d. So tomorrow hoboge this is your last term, formula of last term. So we can write it as L. So n by 2 a plus L. This is the sum. This is the sum up to first n terms. Sum up to first n terms of the AP. So now we come to the exercise 9.2. Question number 1 is your homework. Question number 1 is your homework. Similar to question number 2, আমি study কৰো কেনেকে হৈছে। Question কি কৈছে তোমাক, find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. তাৰমানে তোমাৰ 100 আৰু 1000 ৰ মাজত natural numbers খিনি find out কৰিব কৈছে which are multiples of 5. So what are the natural numbers between 100 and 1000? 100 multiples of 5 বুলি কৈছে, আমাক particularly কৈছে multiples of 5. So we'll check only those natural numbers which are multiples of 5 between 100 and 1000. So 100, then tomorrow 105 are multiples of 5, 110, 120, তেনেকৈ গৈ থাকিব continue হৈ তোমাৰ 995 হ'ব। After that তোমাৰ কি হ'ব 1000. আমি কোনখিনি particularly লৈছিলোঁ multiple of 5. We are taking those numbers which are multiple of 5. তোমাক কি কৈছে between means তুমি 100 consider কৰিব নোৱাৰা, 100 আৰু 1000 ৰ ভিতৰত। So তোমাৰ we have to consider which numbers? This 105, 110 to what? 995. So ইয়াত তোমাৰ first term কি হ'ব 105. Common difference হ'ব তোমাৰ D5 because তুমি 110 minus 105 কৰা 5. Next year তোমাৰ third term 115 minus 110 5. ঠিক আছে, আৰু last term হ'ব তোমাৰ 995. ঠিক আছে, 995 multiples of 5, so 995. So tomorrow last term is 995. So we know from the last term formula a plus n minus 1d equal to 995. Last term formula, this is the formula for last term. ঠিক আছে, first term আমি কি পাইছিলো 105, n minus 1d কি পালো আমি common difference 5 পালো, so 995. So calculation কৰি পেলে গম পাবা 995 minus 890. So next one 9 minus 1 equal to 890 divided by 5 equal to 178. ठीक है, easy calculation. So 179, 1 will go to your right hand side. So number of terms किमान पाला 179. That means তোমাৰ 100 আৰু 1000 ৰ ভিতৰত তোমাৰ 179 টা terms থাকিব which are divisible by 5. That means 105, 115 এনেকুৱা তোমাৰ 995 লৈকে তোমাৰ কেইটা terms থাকিব 179 টা terms থাকিব which are divisible by 5. ঠিক আছে, but আমাক questionত find out কৰিব কৈছে কি in question we need to find sum of these numbers. 105 plus 115 110 হ'ব, 110, 115, 120 plus 125 গোটেই terms খিনি we have to add these terms. ঠিক আছে, we have to add these terms. So how we add? Our formula is what? Sn, n equal to 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula for the summation of n terms. ঠিক আছে, summation of first n terms. So তোমাৰ n hat কি আছে number of terms 179. So তোমাৰ 179 by 2 into a কি আসলে আমাৰ first term 105. So তোমাৰ 2 into 105 plus n minus 1 179 minus 1 d কি হয় তোমাৰ 5. ঠিক আছে, so তোমাৰ আহিব 179 by 2 210 178 by 5. Next তোমাৰ cancel কৰিবা 2 আৰু 100 this you will get 1100. ঠিক আছে, product কৰি চাবা. So 178 into 5 plus 210 কৰিবা. Next 2 আৰু 1100 cancel কৰিবা 550. So again product কৰিবা this. So this is the required answer. What is this? Sum of these terms means sum of these terms 105 plus 110 plus 115 plus 120 কিমানখিনি লকে কৰিম আমি প্লাস এড কৰি গৈ থাকিম to 995, but only those numbers which are multiples of 5. Clear?